am so ready to do this Princess Jasmine makeover. So first, for the nose, I'm going to take Ben Nye's Nose and Scar Wax. This is just going to be used to elongate the tip of my nose. So I'm just going to apply some Prose Aid. Once it's kind of tacky, I'm going to press it on. Then start shaping and blending the edges. I know this can be a little messy and sticky. Just have napkin ready. It looks pretty good from the side, so let's move on. Next, I'm going to prep my skin for makeup application. So I'm going to take Farsali's Unicorn Essence. It's like this purple serum. I just put a couple drops of it all over my face, rub it, and let the skin absorb it. For the foundation, I'm going to take BareMinerals barePro foundation. It's one shade darker than my skin tone. I'm kind of going for like an olive complexion. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender, evenly blend it all over my face and also my neck. I feel like highlighting and contouring is a must for this look. So first I'm going to take MAC's Studio Fix Concealer, apply it underneath my eyes, forehead, and down the chin. Once the concealer is blended, I'm going to take a highlight and contour stick from Rimmel London. It kind of reminds me of that churrasco stick from M Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it on the sides of the nose, cheekbones, jawline, and then the forehead. To blend the contour on the sides of my face, I'm going to take this gold Jouer brush and just do mini circular motions. And for the nose, I'm going to take a smaller angled brush from Pixi, blend it normally on the top, but then dab on the tip so I don't ruin my new nose. After that, let's start baking. So I'm going to take my favorite translucent powder from Hourglass. I'm going to apply it above the concealer. And while that's setting, I also wanted to share with you guys these Princess Jasmine brushes from Luxie. Now I'm just going to dust the rest of the face, make sure it's nice and matte. For the brows, I wanted them to be dark, bold, but still natural looking. So I used a dark brown brow pomade and then gave it a slight arch. Before I start the eye makeup, I wanted to let you guys know that Colourpop just came out with their Disney designer collection. This is their collaboration with Disney, and all of these makeup are inspired by princesses. So they have an eyeshadow palette, lipstick, lip gloss. I'm using the eyeshadow palette right now, and I'm taking the brown right up there. This is going to be my base eyeshadow, so I'm just going to apply this with my all-over eyeshadow brush. Then I'm going to take the same shadow and sweep it on my lower lash line. On the top, I'm going to darken it a little bit more. So I'm taking a black eyeshadow and blending it with the brown. Now to brighten the eyes, I'm going to take these lighter shadows, place them on the inner corners, underneath the brows, and then also on the tip of my nose. Okay, now I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm taking an ABH concealer and kind of creating a crescent moon. At first, I didn't know if I wanted to do an inspired Jasmine eye look or her actual eye. So I wanted to go with her actual eye. That's why I'm kind of going to elongate the outer corners and make my eyes look really like gazelle-like. Now I have to make sure I set it because I don't want it to smudge or move. So I'm using a lighter shadow and just patting it on top. After that, I'm going to take a really thin brush from Makeup Addictions and start applying black eyeshadow on the outer corners so it makes the cut crease pop. I'm going to go ahead and also do the wing with this black liner. I wanted to double up the liner today so it also has like a softer edge, I guess. So I'm just going to line it up with the eyeshadow and then follow it up with a liquid liner. Widen the eyes, I'm going to take a nude white liner and run it down the waterline. This is going to make the eyes look a little washed out, so I always go back in with a black eyeshadow and then darken the edges. These lashes are really gonna pull this whole eye makeup together. Angel, they have a really big dramatic lashes, and I feel like it's perfect for this eye makeup. If I had to put this on in my regular eye, it would look crazy. And lastly, for the eyes, I'm going to apply this fiber extension mascara. Focus more on the bottom lashes because I want it to be as dramatic as the top lashes. Now for my cheeks, I'm going to take this heart-shaped blush from Too Faced and apply this shimmery peachy blush on the apples of my cheeks. And it's time to enhance and make those cheekbones glow. So I'm taking the Colourpop highlighter, spritzing the fan brush to make the highlighter look really intense, and then apply it on the top of my cheekbones. Finally, the lips. So I'm taking a brick red lip liner and outlining the lips first, then fill it in. I decided to just follow my natural lip shape because my eyes are pretty big, so it should look pretty balanced. For the lipstick, I have 6 Luxe lipsticks from the Disney designer collection from Colourpop. I just gotta find the one with Jasmine. There is Snow White, Belle. Okay, hopefully that last one is Jasmine. There we go. Okay, that is Jasmine. So I'm going to use this bright pink color on top of my lip liner. For her accessories, I'm going to start out with the necklace. This looks so legit, guys. I even have the earrings and also the wig. I just want to thank cosplayer Naomi Barr for letting me use this. You guys can follow her Instagram. It's right there. So now I'm just going to prep my hair for the wig. Putting the wig cap on. I like nude wig caps because I feel like it's the closest to your scalp color. Why do I look like a bald Princess Jasmine? Okay, so here is the wig. It's so perfect. I feel like I don't really need to do too much besides just putting it on my head, but it is a little heavy. Oh, I can't forget the headband. So I'm just gonna put the blue ribbon across and put a giant jewel on top. Also, here you guys can see the top of my Jasmine costume. It's so beautiful. It's from mermaid_aesthetic from Instagram. She's also a cosplayer. Thank you so much. And here is my full Jasmine makeover. Genie!
Oh, yes, Princess Jasmine? How can I help you this fine evening?
I just can't decide what to be this Halloween.
That should be easy. How about a fairy Jasmine?
No, my head looks like a nest.
Maybe, a unicorn Jasmine.
No.
This is it. This is it. How about a bad Jasmine? Jasmine with a twist.
Oh, I kind of like this. Okay, this is gonna be my Halloween costume.